Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce our new product, a 12.3-inch ultra-wide secondary display for your computer. This display comes with built-in speakers and convenient side menu buttons, allowing you to easily adjust the volume and display settings for a better user experience. For connectivity, it supports a full-featured Type-C single cable connection, enabling both power delivery and video transmission through one cable. Please note that this requires your device to support full-function USB-C output and have an integrated GPU, iGPU. For better compatibility, you can also connect it via HDMI. As long as your device supports HDMI output, whether it's a PC, gaming console, or other compatible device, it can be connected with ease. Now let's take a look at the packaging. The box features a clean and minimal design, with a sturdy and durable build to help protect the display during transportation. Next, let's see what accessories come inside the box. As you can see, the display is very well protected inside the box, with foam padding surrounding it on all sides to help prevent damage during transportation. Now, let's take a look at all the accessories included in the package. First, of course, is the star of today's video, the 12.3-inch ultra-wide secondary display. In person, it looks impressively large, and the ultra-wide aspect ratio delivers a truly immersive visual experience, whether you use it as a secondary monitor or part of your desktop setup. The included accessories are also quite complete. Inside the box, you'll find a full-featured Type-C cable, an HDMI cable, a Type-C power cable, and a power adapter, making it easy to connect with different devices. In addition, an English user manual and a desktop stand are also included. Overall, the package is very complete, and we can't wait to connect the display and see how it performs in action. First, let's take a look at the buttons and ports on the display. On the side of the screen, you'll find the menu buttons and the power button, along with a 3.5mm headphone jack for connecting headphones. On the other side, the display features an HDMI port, a Type-C power port, and a full-featured Type-C port, providing flexible connectivity options for different devices. On the back, you can see that the display comes with built-in speakers, along with mounting brackets around the edges for easier installation. Now let's connect the cables. As you can see, this display is truly plug and play. Once connected, it powers on immediately. Next, let's check out the specifications. The display features a resolution of 1920 by 720 with a 60 Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp image quality and vibrant colors. Whether you're displaying wallpapers or watching videos, the visual experience is very impressive. Now let's test the dynamic wallpaper effect using STEAM's Wallpaper Engine. As you can see, both the motion effects and color performance look fantastic. Not only that, but it also supports dual dynamic desktops, making your setup look even more stylish and futuristic. Of course, a secondary display is useful for much more than just aesthetics. As an extended monitor, it can also improve your productivity for both work and study. While working on your main screen, you can use the secondary display for replying to messages, playing music, or watching videos, making multitasking much more efficient. At the same time, it can also provide a more relaxing and enjoyable experience during breaks. Finally, let's install the display into the PC case and take a look at the final setup result.